Ready to ditch the endless screenshots and scattered notes to finally master planning trips and organizing your favorite spots? Let's dive into how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps, making trip planning a breeze. First, open your Google Maps app and go ahead and search for your first location. Maybe you're planning a weekend getaway and the first location is your hotel. Once you've found the place, tap on its information. You'll see an option that looks like a small bookmark. Just tap that save button. This adds the location to your saved list. Now, because we are going to be saving multiple locations, you'll want to choose a list to organize your locations by default. Google Maps may provide some pre-made lists like favorites or want to go. You can add your hotel to one of those lists, but for a more coordinated experience, let's create a brand new list. Tap New List to create a custom list for your adventure. Give your list a descriptive name, like weekend getaway or road trip, whatever fits your theme. You can also add a description for more detail. Tap Save Now. That first hotel location will be neatly arranged and added to this specific list. Next, it's time to add your next location to this master list. Repeat these steps to add other places, like that trendy restaurant you found and your favorite coffee shop, by searching for the location and saving them to the same custom-made list. You can customize these by tapping the three dots and edit the name or the description of these locations. Additionally, you can change the color of your pin, which helps distinguish where these locations are. Now, the locations are saved, and you can view your personalized map. To easily view your saved locations, go to the Saved section in the app, tap your custom list, and voila! You have a custom map right at your fingertips, complete with your pinned locations. Ready to guide you. You can select the See Map button to view your saved list. Now share your list with friends and family so they can get in on the fun.